Hello YouTube. So I started spring cleaning of all of my camping gear, bushcraft gear, survivalist gear, whatever you want to call it. All the stuff I use when I go out in the woods. And let me find everything, which is nice, and get it all organized and put away. So now that the Boy Scout camping season is picking up, it'll be easier to get everything together for me and my son when we go on the scouting trip. But with that, I decided to put together a day hike kit, bushcraft kit, using my old military plus LBE stuff. This is the old Alice web belt and straps, along with a variety of other things that I have, and I thought I would show it to you and see what you guys thought. So I have a Molly canteen pouch that I'm using as a bag, and I'll go through what's in that bag. I have the Self-Reliance Outfitter canteen, cup and stove, and this is the bag that it came with, and it's also Molly compatible, and this is a great little canteen. I absolutely love it. This is a butt pack. I don't know what kind. I got it in trade from somebody years ago, and it works. It's got the really nice heavy-duty metal D-rings for the LBE to connect to, and I have Gorilla taped these down because they pop off constantly. And I have an old USGI canteen. It's got a canteen cup in there, and I wanted to have at least one canteen with the old canteen cover that you can kind of soak and it cools it off. And then I have the other canteen pouch, Molly canteen pouch, and I'm using it as a bag. And I will show you guys what's in all of this stuff. And I don't have my tripod, and my son's out of town, so I don't have my cameraman. So bear with the shaky camera.